I came all the way for this because I normally have this for breakfast and it was over. Good morning, guys. It's almost mango season. Can't wait to eat these mangoes. And we also have some guavas. Wow. Guavas. What else? More mangoes. And these mangoes are normally sweet, extremely sweet. Yeah, so welcome back to another vlog. Today, guys, it's on a Sunday. I want to go for shopping, to go to a local market here and buy something. Oh, look at this tree. Whoa. Yeah. So let's go, guys, do some shopping. Yeah. This is a Toyota Ractis. It was my first car, man. I'll never forget this one. Money, no clothes, no shoe. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm not worried about my bills, about my... Let me turn off the music. I don't want copyright. Okay, unwind the mirrors. Guys on reverse. Let's go. There's someone washing clothes over there. That's the SGR over there. So if you guys can see the maize over there, we planted them like 2 weeks ago and you see now they are growing. Yeah, planted those maize. They are growing fast because it's raining. So that's the SGR. Washing the bike there. Niaje? So that's the SGR. Let's go. Bosco. So guys, when you are driving, just remember that you don't want to be, going side by side with the cart in front, because they might scratch your car. They will go away. So be careful when you're passing such a cart. Give it time to clear or widen the road, and then just, like that. Nicely done. I came all the way for this because I normally have this for breakfast, and it was over. That's how the market looks on a Sunday. Only the betting shop is open. If you're feeling lucky today, you should go and bet. Can't believe I have to pass through this sliding place. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So it's on a Sunday, that's why you can hear the churches, which are everywhere. I hope I don't get copyrighted because of this song. SGR. That's how it looks like. That's the river that I'm crossing. Man, I have to cross many rivers. Let's go.